In this video, I'll show you how to remove the front driver's side door panel on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. This procedure is useful if you're replacing the door handle, window regulator, window motor, speaker, side mirror, door lock actuator, or performing any repairs inside the door. We will start by removing the small triangular trim panel at the upper front corner of the door, next to the side mirror. It is only held in place by retaining clips near the top and hooked in from the bottom. Use a trim removal tool to pry it from the top and pull it straight toward you. Once it's unclipped, set it aside somewhere safe. Next, move down to the armrest. Inside the armrest recess, you will see a small plastic cover. Carefully pry it out with a small flathead screwdriver to expose a Phillips screw. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw. With the screw removed, the rest of the door panel is secured by plastic retaining clips around the outer edge. There is a small opening at the bottom center of the door panel. Insert a plastic trim removal tool into this opening between the door panel and the metal door. Gently twist the tool to release the first retaining clip. Once the first clip pops free, continue working your way around the bottom and both sides of the panel, releasing each retaining clip one at a time. After all the clips have been released, lift the entire panel straight upward to disengage it from the window channel at the top of the door. Do not pull the panel completely away from the door just yet. There are wiring harnesses attached at the back. Support the panel with one hand while disconnecting the electrical connectors at the back. The interior door handle cable assembly is secured by a white plastic retainer on the back of the door panel. Press the locking tab on the edge of the retainer, then pull the entire housing straight out of the panel. Both the door handle and door lock cables remain attached, so there is no need to disconnect them individually. Next, disconnect the tweeter speaker connector near the top corner of the door panel. Press the locking tab and pull the connector straight apart. Next, disconnect the power window switch connector. Depending on your vehicle's trim level, there may be multiple connectors. Press the locking tab on the power window switch connector and pull it straight out. This connector may be tightly seated, so gently wiggle it while pulling. Avoid pulling on the wires, as doing so can damage the terminals or wiring harness. Next, disconnect the power mirror switch connector. The door panel can now be removed completely. Here is a close-up of the backside of the door panel. Replace any clips that are broken, bent, or remain stuck in the metal door. Damaged clips can cause rattles and prevent the panel from fitting securely after reassembly. Here is a close-up of what's behind the door panel. To reinstall the door panel, start by reconnecting the electrical connectors. Plug in the power window switch connector, make sure it clicks into place. Next, reconnect the power mirror switch connector. Next, reconnect the tweeter speaker connector near the top of the door panel. Now reattach the interior door handle cable assembly by engaging the front tabs of the white plastic housing into the matching slots on the door panel. Once the front is seated, swing the rear of the housing inward until the locking tab snaps into place. If the housing does not seat properly, make sure the interior door handle lock is in the unlocked position, or in the same position it was in when you removed it. Next, position the top of the door panel over the window channel and lower it into place. Make sure the upper edge is fully seated along the entire length of the door before securing the retaining clips. Align the plastic retaining clips with their mounting holes, then press firmly around the door panel until each clip snaps into place. Reinstall the Phillips head screw inside the armrest. Then snap the plastic cover back into place. Finally, reinstall the triangular mirror trim panel by aligning the retaining clips and pressing it firmly until it clicks into place. Now turn on the ignition and test the power windows, power door locks, mirror controls, and the interior door handle to make sure everything works properly. If everything functions correctly and the door panel sits flush all the way around, the installation is complete. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching.